To simultaneously subset rows and columns in a data frame, we use .loc, iloc, and historically, ux. .loc performs label-based indexing. You specify row labels and column names directly.
iloc handles integer position-based indexing. You use numerical positions for both rows and columns, like df, iloc, 0 to 5. 1 to 3. For the first 5 rows and columns at indices 1 and 2. Ix was a hybrid, accepting either labels or integer positions. While flexible, it's largely deprecated, favoring the clarity of .loc and iloc. For illustration, we'll load the _Seaborn, load_dataset. Tips. _DataFrame to demonstrate these methods. This code snippet first loads the tips dataset from Seaborn, then demonstrates 3 different methods for simultaneously subsetting rows and columns in a Pandas DataFrame. It begins by printing the head and info of the original DataFrame to provide context. Each subsetting method, .loc, iloc, and ix, is applied with illustrative examples, followed by a printout of the resulting subset and its shape.
The .loc example demonstrates label-based indexing by selecting rows where both the smoker column is yes and the day column is sun. It simultaneously selects specific columns, total_bill, tip, time, by their string labels. This method is ideal when you want to filter by specific values or conditions in rows and retrieve columns by their names.
The iloc example showcases integer location-based indexing. It selects a range of rows from index 10 up to, but not including, 20 and a range of columns from index 0 up to, but not including, 3. A second iloc example illustrates selecting non-contiguous rows and columns using lists of integer positions. This method is useful when you need to select data based purely on its numerical position within the data frame.